This is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in a Outer Banks trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you've got a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. On either side, you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, a 12-volt power outlet. On the opposite side, you have more tie-down points, as well as the power button for your lights in the hatch that can be articulated to shine wherever you need them. And then underneath this rugged cargo floor, you have your full-size spare with some extra room for other equipment. Then looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three, combination of partial ActiveX and cloth interior, fold-out armrests in the middle with two cup holders, as well as having a USB, USB-C, and 110-volt power outlet down there. And the backs of the seats have zippered pouches and molly rigging to hook equipment onto. This vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as having premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent, and a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip information, tire pressures, your now playing, fuel economy, and then you can also go into further settings and service information. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stalk. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls, auto start, stop, shut off, and hazards. You have this little tray area here, and then you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Below that, you have this cubby area with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and a wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there. Then you've got your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room, including another USB and USB-C, and last but not least, you have a power moonroof so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.